This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Go ahead and open up the lift gate. For this job you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and either a 10mm wrench or a 10mm socket ratchet combination. Grab the flathead screwdriver and put it in the slight slot over there. See that right over there? And use that to pry the panel off. There are 4 clips which are holding the panel in place. Get it off, those 4 white clips. They go in the 4 holes over there. Now get the 10mm socket or the wrench and use that to get those 3 bolts off. Get them off and keep them somewhere safe. Now the light should just pop right out. There's nothing else holding it in place. First off, we need to get the electrical connector off. Press it down and then pull it out. You gotta sort of press it down from the top over there. Press it down, pull it off, and out it comes. If your replacement light comes as like one whole piece with the light built in, that's great. If not, if you sort of just get like the LED light, then you will need to get the screwdriver and get those 3 screws off, which are holding the light in the lens. And now we can get the light, the LED light, which is inside there, the panel. We can get that off. There's nothing else holding it in place. It just comes right out easily. Again, like I said, if your replacement one comes with the LED strip built into it, that's great. You don't have to do this part. If does not, you can just buy the LED strip, then you have to do this part. Once you put that back in, tighten the 3 screws on, and we will now put the electrical connector on. It just goes on one way. Push it in, click, and let's put the light back in. Just grab that little white clip over there. Yeah, just grab it and hold on to it, and then just put the center bolt in a few threads. That's it. Now it's secure. Now it's not going to move. Now it won't just accidentally pop out when you're trying to like push on the bolts as you're trying to screw them. It won't pop off. That's good. Let's put the bolts on, tighten them up. 1, 2, 3. That's done. Make sure that the slot is on the right side, the way it was originally when we took it off, and the way I'm showing over here in the video. Align it, push it in, clip, done. That's it. Hope you found the video useful.